Hi guys, this little video tonight is mainly to come out and try out the new Mavic Air 2. I'm just going to show some footage tonight and give my first thoughts. I've had it for a couple of days now. I was flying it yesterday in the 40-mile-an-hour winds, and that's what I did the last vlog on. But today I just thought I'd pop down because there's some awesome clouds, so I thought I'd pop down to my favourite place. As you can see, the water's getting really still now, but it's not about that tonight. So in a second what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you some footage. I think some's 4K HDR mode and some normal, and what I'll do is I'll put a comment on the top which is which, and I'll also include some stills because it takes 48 megapixel stills, and it also takes a wide angle still which is I think it's 12 megapixels, but I put all the settings above the images that I've taken. So yeah, I might just try and get a quick shot of this boat. I think the tide's going out in a second, so we'll see what we can do. Hi guys, as you can see the light has completely gone now. I thought it'd be a really good sunset tonight, but it's not quite happened. But what I'm going to show you, here is the Mavic Air 2 in my hand, and here is the control box. They're quite a bit bigger than the Mavic Mini. Maybe in a few weeks time I'll do a comparison between the two. But they fold up quite nice and neat, and it's very simple. You just unfold the arms, the top two, then the bottom two. Make sure the gimbal guard's off before you start it up. Yeah, micro SD card goes there. If you want to get the battery out, you just press these two buttons on the side, take it out to recharge. Really simple, really steady machines. Like I say, the video that I did, that I've posted today, with the shipwreck, the wind conditions were about 35-40 mile an hour, and on Saturday I went to Blackpool Tower and took a shot, and that was 50 mile an hour winds to go straight up, and not a problem at all. And this can quite easily fit in your bag. Also quickly I'll show you what happens here is this, rather different to the Mavic Mini, is this lifts up and your phone attaches to that, and the range of these things is absolutely wonderful. So yeah, all in all, first impressions, really good little drone, to be honest. Just as steady as, if not steady as I used to have a Phantom 4 Pro. I think these are steadier, and like I say, the image quality is really good, and the video we'll see in a moment when we post a different, like, it's got HDR, it's got 4K, it's got I think it's got 8K time lapse, where you take a series of images and makes it into a mini movie, and that's something I'll need to do. It's got all the tracking modes, the follow me, the circle. Yeah, so all in all, first impressions really good.